Salam everyone, so here's another video of an easy Quranic Arabic lesson. If you're not finding this easy, it might be because you haven't watched the stage 1 playlist where we cover a lot of basics. So do find the playlist on the channel and do the Surah Mu'minun course first, so we cover a lot of basics there, and then you can join us in these videos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please do let me know in the comments how your journey is going. The more you like and comment on these videos, the more YouTube actually shares them with others, so you'll help spread Quranic education and support this channel that way. So do engage with us. Thank you, Jazakallah khair, and keep watching the video.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم. And the Shams is the sun. Yes. And the sun تجري لمستقر لها. So I think this is sort of saying it's like it floats in its orbit.
Tajri, yeah, is used for springs and for water, etc.
Yeah.
تجري من تحتها الأنهار, rivers will flow under them. So,
So I guess it kind of follows its orbit, maybe.
yeah,
Is
just
Mustaqar an orbit though?
لمستقر, no, مستقر is an appointed time. So it runs its course for an appointed time.
And then ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم. That is the decree of Al-Aziz, the mighty, Al-Alim, of the knowing.
I love Surah Yaseen. There's so many verses on nature. Okay, then next one.
والقمر, and the moon قدرناه قدرنا so the moon is placed قدر
decreed.
What is the similar word? There is a word close to. No, there's measured. Oh
Meaning, yes, you're right. So qadir and qadr is decree, but also measure. So both of them are valid here. Like it's kind of the same. So one word
about the
has both meanings together.
I think there's a word also close to, like place.
Place.
I don't know. I think I mixed it. Okay. So it is decreed or measured.
Yeah.
Manazila.
Yeah.
Wait, manzil. Manzil. Stages?
Stages, yeah.
Oh!
Nice. From Turkish, because in Arabic we've covered it in different way. We've covered destination as manzil. So I thought maybe you were gonna say that, but so that's from Turkish. You're
really?
Yeah.
Too many words. I'm trying. Okay. منزل حتى until عدا كل برجون القديم عدا
So Ad is from Adad, I think, like حتى عاد. Oh, I don't know actually. But Urjun al-Qadim, Qadim means like really old. And Urjun is like the stalk of a palm tree, like a little branch, like that shrivels up and becomes so thin. So it's the meaning is that the moon, we have decreed stages until it becomes like a very old date stalk, as in it becomes really thin.
Oh wow, subhanallah.
Cool. And then
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار. لا الشمس, so it's not the sun. ينبغي لها, ينبغي from نبغ, ينبغي لها. أن تدرك Okay, so it's something like it's not for the sun, something about the moon, and it's not for the night, something for the day.
Okay, sabiq you can know. Sabiq is
Sabiq, people who come after, before.
before. So
Before.
when al-laylu
So,
sabiq nahar, as in the
so
sun,
the night does not come before the day.
or doesn't overtake or outrun the day. And then
Okay.
Tudrik al-Qamar is similar, that it's not ينبغي لها, it doesn't suit the sun. It's not suitable for the sun to catch up with the moon or to overtake the moon.
Okay.
And neither does the night outrun the day.
Okay, fine. And then وَكُلٌّ فِي فَلَكِ يَسْبَحُونَ وَكُلٌّ فِي, they are all, each is in. So يَسْبَحُونَ, فَلَكٍ يَسْبَحُونَ, in a different context, would that mean like a ship that's sailing, like swimming in its own, like fulk was ship, right?
Ship, yeah.
That's
Falak is like
And then yasbah is from sabaha, to swim.
yeah. So here it means that they are in an orbit. Falak is an orbit. Even the fulk is ship. So Falak is not ship.
Okay.
So each in an orbit swimming or
Of its
float.
own. Okay.
okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Cool.
Are we still, if we're still taking notes, can you just put yambari?
Yeah. But so Yambari in other like times, Yambari is like suitable, or it's usually said in terms of like it is not befitting.
Okay, fine.
You'll usually have a thing of it's not befitting for God to, for example, beget a son or something like that. So la yambari. It's not befitting for a son. Okay, then who's next? Oh.
آية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون. And a sign for them is that we حملنا, we carry their offspring on the ship الفلك مشحون. مشحون. I don't remember what mashhun means.
I don't think we've done it, and it's very rare, but here it's that in a loaded ark. So it's past tense. حملنا ذريتهم. The sign for them is that we carried their ancestors in the ship. Talking about Noah's ship. And then here.
وَخَلَقْنَا لَهُمْ, we created for them مِنْ مِثْلِهِ, from, wait a minute. So we created for them from, mithl is like example or like it.
Like it, yeah.
Oh, okay. We created for them like it. Okay. ما يركبون. يركبون.
So we haven't done this, but it means that what other stuff that they ride on or they travel on. So it the previous one is about the ship, and then we also created like it or like the ship things that they ride, so other vehicles, other animals, etc., etc.
Okay. Okay.
Cool, right?
So that was lesson 8. I hope you found that really useful. Please let me know in the comments how that went. Keep revising in the middle, actually. That's incredibly important. And I really pray that you're finding these useful. Assalamu alaikum. Keep us in your du'as.